Yo, what's up? Welcome back to yet another reaction. We are back with another Namibian and Zambia collaboration. DJ Vuyo again, all the way from Namibia. Vinchenzo, all the way from Zambia. Mulibwanje ba Zambia. In the Lubino, Zinalanga di Titi, Dimankala Kuno ku USA, Koma, Dimachogana ku Botswana. My name is Titi. I am from Botswana, but I'm currently out here in the US of A. Yeah, you know, life. Please go check out DJ Vuyo, man. Like, if you guys don't know who DJ Vuyo is, just do yourself a favor. Google him right now. Go, like, you can leave this video. Leave a like. Pause this video. You watch it after you have seen who DJ Vuyo is, because you will not be disappointed. As much as Vinchenzo as well. So, yeah. If you're from Zambia, leave a like down below. Leave a comment. Let me know what's going on. Who should I react to next? Okay, Namibia in the building. Stand up, DJ Vuyo, one of my best friends. Yeah, I know he watches this video, so he'll be like, best friends, when did our relationship go that far? Anyway, yeah, I'm claiming it. Okay.
Zambia, Namibia, DJ Vuyo M'bale.
Takuwa nini rumu kunui? Esikota yeo shakura. Ndi hoje chine chindiliyewe kandi kulime. Takusuma no muporo wangu no Vuyo Landlord.
Hey, DJ Vuyo, you still owe me a collaboration from Botswana. You said you were going to talk to DJ Latimi. I think it's time. I think he should have been on this album.
Moyo wangu wako Tezishini na kuruka Kare Mawe ni manesherengi Vurotu divende vuruvuruba Chindi tisa sirimo seveni Vurotu vetu guguguruza Nilindi kuvona hape Nilindi kuvona hape Osari kuyengama.
Yo, so wait. I can understand what he is saying a little bit, which is weird. Okay, let me take it back, because now I'm paying attention. You see, I think videos are so destructive. Maybe I should react to audios more, because now I can understand this language that I don't even speak, but because I know a few words from my own language, I can like make a connection. Let's see. When will I see you again? You've been gone for too long. Many days, I think. Wow, I can hear him. I'm surprised.
Hello mama, I'm in love with you. I don't mind taking a pic with you. The truth is I miss you. I will give you my rent money. Let's talk about this. Let's talk about me and you. Toto, moche con babidi. In a sinigona, I wanna wife you. I'm so famous, baby. Where I come from, I'm the dear president. If you say yes to me, we shall celebrate. Jokes aside, the way get in the chick on the baby.
Well, I can also understand what Vinchenzo is saying, because I can hear the difference between the language. He's singing in Nyanja and he is saying, oh wait, let me take it back a little bit.
Where I come from, I'm the dear president. If you say yes to me, we shall celebrate. Jokes aside, the way get in the.
It's like a conversation. It's like, yo, you know, jokes aside, because you already said it's a vice president.
Chick on the baby.
I want you to sing with me. I have love. I want you to be my landlord.
osali kuyenda majuba kandira lingonzi Milo, Milo, Milo Dilili ndikuvona hape Dilili ndikuvona hape.
Yo, DJ Vuyo, I have an idea. If you want a remix of the song, I'm available. It's a beautiful song. It's pretty chill, and I love the message because it's like a silly song, but it's just like a chill love song. And the fact that I can understand most of the words. So if you're from Namibia, let me know if I'm right or I'm right. And also if you're from Zambia, let me know if I'm right or am I right. So I don't normally speak like this. I don't know, maybe I sound fake or something. But yeah, it's allergy season here and your African boy is struggling.
Milo, Milo osali kuyenda majuba kandira lingonzi Milo.
You've been gone, I cannot sleep. What? I can't understand this guy.
Milo, Milo
It's a beautiful song. Beautiful, beautiful. It's a beautiful. Did DJ Vuyo produce this? Because wow. Okay, let me hear who produced it.
Balule zilile Zambia Namibia DJ Vuyo M'bale
takuwa nini rumu kunui esikota yeo shakura ndi oji chine chindiliewe kandi kulime takusumu no mupuro wangu no Landlord
nikutonda muntu wangu.
I think DJ Vuyo produced it, man, because there's no like a tag in there. Wow. What a beautiful song. Big up to DJ Vuyo. I wonder if there's going to be a video of this one or it's already out or this is it, because it's a beautiful, beautiful one. And also do well in a video. Wow. Okay. That was good. That was so good. I know DJ Vuyo watches videos that I make, so yeah, hopefully I said all the right things because I don't wanna miss the friendship. Anyway, thank you so much for watching this, man. I'll see you guys on the other side.